Hey, Dr. Jenn here with a question. What if the work that we're doing, whether it's developing intuition, whether it's healing, whether it's developing confidence and trust with yourself, whether it's becoming a more powerful speaker or creating a new app or, well, transforming some industry or creating a multi-million-dollar business or multi-billion-dollar business, whatever it might be. What if the work to be done is done in the spaces between your breath, in the negative spaces of art, in the shadows, in the heartbeat? What if it wasn't done by active doing, action, thinking? What if it's happening like behind the scenes in some way, and that what might be getting in the way is the belief or the thought that we have to be something, that we have to be doing something, thinking something, creating something, that there isn't an energy that's already working with us because we exist. I'd love to know your thoughts.